friends. Welcome at Dr. Ved channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. I am presenting the video on job in Short Service Commission SSC in Army in Remote Veterinary Corps. This is a very good post. Veterinarian can apply. Those who have BBSc and AH degree can apply for this job. Dear friends, in the Indian Army, in Short Service Commission, and in the Remote Veterinary Corps, the applications are invited from a qualified male veterinary graduates. Graduates must be male for Short Service Commission SSC in Remote Veterinary Corps of Indian Army. The eligible veterinarians are requested to apply for this post. फ्रेंड्स, भारतीय सेना में रिमाउंट वेटरनरी कोर्प में अल्प सेवा कमीशन में पशु चिकित्सा स्नातक की एडवर्टाइजमेंट आई है। उसके लिए अप्लाई करने के लिए एडवर्टाइजमेंट है। कई उनकी शर्तें हैं। उसमें पशु चिकित्सा में जो स्नातक है और पुरुष होना चाहिए, उस उम्मीदवार के लिए आवेदन पत्र आमंत्रित किया गया है। तो वेटनरियंस को विनती है कि वो इसी पद पर अपना एप्लीकेशन भेजें। Friends, here eligibility conditions are mentioned. The first condition is age limit. The age limit is 21 to 32 years as on the last date of submission of application. The last date of application of submission is 10th December 2020. On last date, the application must reach to the Army. Remember, on 10th December, the last date is 10th December, it must reach to the Army. The BBSc or BBSc and AH degree graduates are granted Short Service Commission in Remount Veterinary Corps, and they may be considered to grant a permanent commission only if they are below 30 years of age on the date of grant of Short Service Commission. The test conducted will be as per the rules, regulation and policies. Likewise, those who possess the degree, MBSc and doctorate degree holders will be considered for grant of permanent commission, and they will be given a age relaxation as per the extent of rule on the date of seniority granted to them. Friends, minimum educational qualification requirement is BVSc or BVSc and AH degree from recognized Indian university or its equivalent foreign degree. But the application should be a citizen of India. Foreign degree is allowed, but applicant should be a citizen of India. Friends, here I will mention last date for the receipt of application. Remember, receipt of application. The application must be received in the office of DGRVS, Remount Corps Veterinary 1 by 10th December 2020 before 5 p.m. Application received thereafter will not be considered. So 10th December 2020 is the date of receipt of this application into the DGRVS office. Friends, registration with Veterinary Council of India or State Veterinary Council is mandatory for selected candidates prior to commencement of the training. Queries, if any, may be submitted to Deputy General RVC, IHQ of MOD Army, West Block 3, RK Puram, New Delhi, or you may email through this ID is given PRSVET 1779 at the rate NICIN. Note down this address and email for any query or application or any other things if you want. You may inquire at this address. Friends, for application to this RVC post, you are required to know details about eligibility condition, what are the method of selection, training, terms and conditions for the service, the procedure to apply, the last date for the receipt of application I have already mentioned, many other important instructions, common reasons for the rejection of your applications, and important notes. This you can get by a site which I will present in the next slide. There is a link. In the next slide, there is a link I will show here. Friends, here I am mentioning the link for Short Service Commission in Remount Veterinary Corps. This is the link on which you can make inquiry, you can find out the application or any type of query that I have already mentioned that you can inquire and details you can get from this link. So friends, if you are eligible, don't wait. It is worth to appear for interview. This is a very good type of the interview. At least you can get experience how to appear for interview. So please approach this link and get the details and apply for this Remount Veterinary Corps post. Friends, don't wait or don't waste your time. Go to the site and apply. Wish you all the best. Share this information to all our friends, those who are eligible. requested to subscribe this site. Thank you very much for observing this presentation. Thanks.